Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your NVIDIA control panel not opening. So first of all, go right here and right click it on your NVIDIA. And here, click on NVIDIA control panel. If that doesn't help, let's get started. So here, go to the search and type NVIDIA control panel. Here, go to the app settings, wait until it loads. And here, click repair. And if that doesn't help, click reset. After that, if that doesn't help, go to the search and type task manager. Click on the task manager and here scroll down until you find NVIDIA container like this and click end task and do for all of these. After that, if that doesn't help too, go to the search and type services. Go to the services and here click on N. And here you'll find NVIDIA container display ls. So click on that one, right click it, click on properties, and make sure the service status is running. So startup type, make sure it is automatic, and click apply. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.